Good morning, class 6 students. This is English class, and today we are going to start chapter 10 verbs in English grammar. Verb is an action word, and there are two main classes of verbs: main verbs and auxiliary verbs means helping verbs. Main verbs are very large in number, while auxiliary verbs are a small group. Main verbs means action verb. Action word like this: eat, study, run, accompany, erase, understand, modify, produce, etc. And auxiliary verbs means be, do, have, will, can, may, shall, would, could, might, should, and must. Main verbs. Main verbs are called full verbs because they can occur independently in a sentence. Main verbs can be either transitive or intransitive. Transitive and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs need an object to complete their meaning. Example: uh, Saryu cleans the room. In this sentence, cleans it is a main verb, and the room it is a object. Next example: Amrita gave me a cup of ice cream. In this sentence, transitive verb gave. Okay, it is a main verb and indirect object me, and a cup of ice cream it is a direct object. And intransitive verbs do not need an object or any other element to complete their meaning. Namita laughed. All of us walked fast. The snow is falling. Regular and irregular verbs. Most verbs form their past tense form by adding d or ed to their base form. Such verbs are regular verbs, and the verbs that form their past tense form in other ways are called irregular verbs. Like this: regular verbs: laugh, laughed, fade, faded, cry, cried, pray, prayed, look, looked. Irregular verbs: speak, spoke, write, wrote, forget, forgot, go, went, make, made. Next, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. They cannot occur independently without a main verb following them. Example: Sumis can speak Mandarin. Means in this sentence, auxiliary verb can and speak it is a main verb. Auxiliary verbs in English include primary verbs be, do, have, which can also function as main verb, and modal auxiliaries which express possibility, necessity, permission, and prediction, such as will, can, may, shall, would, could, might, should, and must.